Face reveal. If you remembered my profile picture when I didn't blur in my face, if you remembered, you know my face. I forgot to put the rubber banding. I'm just holding it like this. And it's the end of the video. Bye bye. Like and subscribe. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have a pet dog, but it's a plushie. Here. I am